Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to change your payout method on Stockx. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. Now we've made videos about how you can set up your payments or payout method on Stockx. But today we're actually going to show you how you can change it later on because there is some factors that make you change your payment method or the payout method. So how can we do it exactly? First of all, you need to check the payment method that you will change it into. Is it available for you? So for the United States, you have PayPal, you have Venmo, bank transfer, debit card. And for outside of United States, you have PayPal, which is for every country, but there is also bank transfer depending on location. Not for all every country. It really varies from location to another. So this is now for the actual payout method for each location. Now let's say that you have verified it and you have the access to that payment method that you want to change it into. Then what you should do is to simply this. So how do I update the destination bank account for my payout? After a payout has been processed, destination account cannot be changed. However, you can update the destination account for future payouts by following these steps. Log into your account and then click on payout. On the payout center, click on action, click on updates. Update the information and then click on confirm. After you have updated your destination account, you will need to verify this change via a verification email, which will be sent soon after you make the update. Once you locate and open this email, click here to verify, and then you need to please note that your updated payout method will not be active until you verify the update in this verification email. And yeah, this is how you can change your payout method within Stockx. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you do have any more questions or problems about Stockx, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you a lot guys for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.